Hey, this is Jen from Local Viking, and let's see how we can use Local Viking and Local Grid Manager as a sales tool. So let's imagine I have this client as my potential client, and I will need to run some Geogrids and some audit on their competition to see if there is any potential or if there's any ways on how to improve this business. The very first thing, I'm going to log into Local Grid Manager or Local Viking, and I'm going to go to locations, and then you have to find this location and add it manually so I can run audits and geogrids based on this. Okay, I have this location as already connected to Google account, but all of your potential customers are going to be shown as non-API connection guys. So I'm going to go to Geogrids, live Geogrids, new Geogrids, and then I'm going to run some Geogrids with the search terms that I think is appropriate for this customer. I'm going to go with painting, and then I'm going to choose, let's do 13 by 13. 1 mile. So what it means that between each knot is going to be 1 mile. So we are covering quite large area. So from the center, this knot is going to be 6 miles, and 6 miles down and across it's going to be 12 miles. So it's quite large geogrid. And then I'm going to run it. Click on run it. And let's wait until report is going to show up. And the next thing what I'm going to use is audit tool, audit configuration. I'm going to click on new configuration, sales, leave scheduled as it is. And then I'm going to use the same keyword and then choose location, click on choose competition, and let's wait until it's going to run. Okay, now I'm going to choose top 5 of my competitors, and then I'm going to click on finish. Then after my audit is going to finish running, I'm going to open it in the new page, and here we can see it run a small geogrid. And then we can see the primary categories and secondary categories of my competitors. Then the list of competitors that I chose. We can see that only 2 guys choose their secondary category. And then I can see the zip code and see where my competitors are physically located. The NA guys means that they're service area businesses. Then we can see the page speeds inside. I can see that 3 out of 5 of my competitors have website. Let me check on this one. Yep, it's not working. This is why it's not showing any speeds inside. Then review section, I can see that only few of my guys have good ratings. I can see that this guy has 5 stars, and I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna see all his reviews. So I can analyze all his reviews, analyze this guy and see why he has 3.4, and then basically analyze all his disadvantages and advantages. Then we can see the reviews when they in 180 days, and then I can see that only 1 review was left in 180 days. Then we can see the media post, and I can see that only few guys have any sort of images, and it's only a street view. Oh, this is my location. Let me go to Michael. Okay, you got it only shows that he has 1 image. Then we have posting, and I can see that mainly I do all my posting, none of other businesses do GMB posting. And then we can have JSON LD from my location. Let's check if there is others. Okay, yep, we have here. and we have only for one guy. And then we can see what kind of services they provide. Let's click on it. And here you can see all the list of their services they have. Then here is only like matched. Unfortunately, there is none services that are matching. And then let's go and check Geogrids. So I can see for the painting, my guy ranks really well. For house painter, barely. Yep, he barely ranks for house painter. Let's see his competition. We can see that Michael, this business ranks much better than our business. And for the painting, my guy ranks really well. Let's click on this 5 and let's check the competition for the same search term. So we can basically say that this guy is main competition, and we should improve rankings and get our business much better. But for painting contractors, let's check it as well. He ranks, but could be better. And basically, you can provide all this information to your customer, generate the PNGs, and provide the information on audits. So, and then you can basically close the sales call and be done and get a new customer. If you'll have any questions, you can always contact us at team@Local Viking or in the chat support from 9 to 5 Eastern Time Zone.